Hello everyone and welcome to my cruise channel. Today we're going to talk about how to pay for things on your cruise minus the souvenirs. But before we get into all that, I must ask, if you like this video, if you find it at all helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. Alright, so let's get to it. So the first thing you want to do before you even set foot on your ship is to decide how much money you'll need minus the gratuities. These include things that are bought at each of the ports as well, and gratuities will be paid separately from your onboard spending. Next is to decide how you want to pay for the extras that are on the cruise. There are usually two different options. You can link your SeaPass to a credit or debit card, or you can provide cash directly to the cruise line, but you'll have to visit the cruise line's website to find out how to do this. Credit cards and cash will not be accepted as payment while paying for things on board. Also, before you get on the ship, you can tie your credit card or your debit card directly to your account, which will save time on embarkation day and all that. But you'll have to find out how to do that by going directly to the cruise line's website, as each cruise line has a slightly different process on how to do that. Also, on the last day of your cruise, be sure to visit guest services if you choose not to tie your credit card to your account. This is a day to settle up anything with the cruise company, any tabs you might have run in the bars or anything like that. That can all be settled at guest services. If you do have a credit card tied to your account, you can pay that off once you get home, so please check your cruise line app as soon as you debark the ship and settle that right away. Also, please be aware that your cruise line may place a hold on your credit card until you pay off that debt. Finally, this is one of my favorite ways to pay for things on a cruise, is you can purchase onboard credit before you leave for your trip. Now, onboard credit basically acts like a gift card that you would normally use in the stores back at home. And you can use it for the entire trip on just about anything, which can help drastically bring down the price. And obviously, there's up to a certain dollar amount that you can use to spend on that. But for more information on how to actually get onboard credit, please visit your cruise line's website, as each cruise line has slightly different ways that you can earn or purchase onboard credit. So those are my tips for how to pay for things once you're on board. We'll get into gratuities in the next week's video. So seasoned cruisers, what are your favorite ways to pay for any extras that are on board your ship? Did I miss anything? And new cruisers, do you have any questions that maybe I didn't answer? In either case, comment below. We would love to hear from you. In the meantime, please check out our other videos that are linked at the end of this video. And as always, bon voyage!